Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Postscript inside Shopify and granting the permissions it requests. This links inventory and customer data. Once installed, set your sender ID and confirm opt-in legal settings so messages won't be blocked. Next, enable checkout opt-in and a simple pop-up to capture subscribers immediately. This seeds the list. Make sure to sync forms so Postscript receives order metadata. That lets you build personalized automations tied to purchases and customer tags. You now create the core post-purchase automation in Postscript. Choose the order completed trigger so messages only go to buyers, and then add condition branches for high-value orders or specific products to increase relevance. Use dynamic tags to insert product names and discounts, making the message feel personal. Schedule a confirmation immediately, a satisfaction or cross-sell message at 24 to 72 hours, and a follow-up reminder. Test flows with a staging customer to verify timing and variables work as expected. Finish by linking Postscript's analytics back to Shopify so you measure revenue per message and refine winners. You should /b test copy and timing. Small changes often drive big lifts, so run iterative tests weekly and scale winners. If you encounter delivery problems, first confirm the recipient opted in and your sender ID is verified. Next, check message length and prohibited content. Finally, adjust frequency if opt-outs rise. Fewer, better targeted messages keep conversions and lower complaints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.